Start by tapping Use Template in the top right corner. We have different tabs for the different parts of the planner: Statistics, Planner, Hashtags, and Settings. To keep it all nice and organized, let's start with Statistics. In this tab you can keep track of the best posts, or other posts you want to include in the stats. Just add the metrics, and the chart will automatically update for a nice overview. This is particularly great if you have clients, to show them the progress. This is the Planner tab. Here's where you'll do all the planning. We'll get back to this tab in a bit. In the Hashtags tab you can save all your hashtag groups, so you can easily add them to your posts. Everything you add here will automatically appear in the Planner tab as a drop-down menu, for easy access. In the Settings tab you can customize the planner, either for yourself, or your different clients. Change the platforms. You most likely won't need all these options. Only keep the platforms you really post on. Here you can also change content pillars. If you don't use content pillars in your strategy, you can just skip them. As you see, any changes made in the settings will appear globally in the entire sheet. Add all locations you regularly tag for easy access. Of course, you can also add custom locations in the planner. If you're working with clients or team members, it's great to have different approved labels. You can customize these and add more if you need. We've added times to post, each half hour. This will work great for most accounts. But if you need, you can adjust the times displayed in the drop-down, or add custom times in the planner as well. Let's get started with the planning. Open the weekly sound sheet. Hold Shift while selecting row 1 and 2, copy the rows. Go back to your planner, select row 12 and 13, and paste the rows. Write your caption. You can add emojis too. To add emojis on Mac, press Ctrl, Command, Space, and the emoji keyboard will appear on your screen. To add emojis on Windows, press the Windows key, the period key, and the emoji keyboard will appear. Add additional settings such as hashtags, location and times. Find the best time for each day in the Instagram app, under Insights. Add the media. Go to Insert. Image. Image in cell. Press Google Drive, and choose a Reels cover or a screenshot of the video you want to post. If you use a Reels cover, open your Google Drive and copy the link to the Reels cover. Paste it. Make sure to add a link to your video here. Repeat for all your posts for the week. The planner starts at Tuesday, so you can plan everything on Monday, but of course you can edit the weekdays as you prefer. Make sure to uncheck Post to Feed if you only want to post to Reels tab. You'll see an automated preview down here. As you can see, the feed automatically appears down here. If you have clients or teammates, this would be the time to share the planner with them. Just press the green button, Share, at the top right corner. Your clients and teammates can then add changes in the yellow area. To plan a new week, simply duplicate the Planner tab. We recommend always saving the original and duplicate a tab for each new week. Happy planning!